Hello, 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 my people. Una good afternoon, good morning, good night, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Okay? Send a message now. Get to me. Obama ga talk pe ise, umogun ga talk pe ise, la mogun baba. Ovi mogun ehin. Maya fefe mogun mahin, otwe la mogun, otwe bobe ovi mogun mehin. Baba, ne baba. Almost 2 weeks ago, she for palati me gwa. Owe gwa yeketi, the video is there. Owe do mezedo do somo me gwoba. Egbe ya fefe wa mujogi wa de ya ware kakabo bete no se ni kenare ya kan mure na kan do tana iwa mo egbe we de ope me keke de na no gele se lati me we go ba ni bete yi joge lawyer no de owe gia we no se de gia ihe metipa ya te ya ba so wa komedi ekpome duro mene obima no yagu ma dole e doji no yagu ma dole no ya leru ni ma ya fefe no re e mo ya fefe no re kenoro wa kenorisi. Please help me to share this video. This video do mezedo imi no de Monica we video o when nugu eri ari egwa ona betuko ne kwa dere so iji mehemeti je gwa na because je me human e do. So do me zedo what me are egwa. Asare Monica, or you're a leader. Or we a lead, then others follow. So Monica, Atuari, a canana present a video where there you. Now presenter over. Please, my people, look for someone that will translate this in English for you. And later, I will translate it in English. Okay? So this is my message. Video message. Now do me zedo. Mami na magic binare nugu eri ari agwera me oba ga talk pe ise ko we na pore me Monica abe poro me ba o. Okay sharing, please share. Aproko, please, I want you to help me to share this video. When we share video, na wala wo. Upena bagbela ne? Upena bagbela ne? Come on! Thank you. Yes, sir. The dog is beautiful for my king. Come on. Come on. Toto. Ise. Umaguga Tokpe. Ise. So, Baba, a message you need to do now. Edumezado now. Edumezado. Area video nana. No go very hard. Egwa. E no se dikana meti. On the 10th. Nana someone me. So, my name Gladys. Amadi. No be Costa. No okay. Oh my God, I'm coming. Oh, no work. Oh, don't worry. No okay, Constantino. Iladia. Ukwe no jena. Niladia. The social media. A foundation mure. Iye wo mega fiere. Iro bonia. Kenoro wa kenoro wa. Vedo. Kena any place na tima. E manamudia. E na ri yobonia. Na we gbo kweku. Ibe guane. So this is my certificate of my foundation. Together in God's Family Care Foundation. I am the president, the holy founder. So, Baba, in Munawe social media, what to the no go over the polo, no na no je money carry fan. No one ni win here. Ukpe no work bana. No case they make popo social media. So, if I could nano kate. The mofi magwa. The mofi matama me when you get here do. Then you get when ye. A reason me can here do now on the 10th now. Ya be ya ye ma. Have I your money? Or whether tie or we show measure yo. Image mo bi me ya titi be ke ni meje be webo. Image be gwa me ya titi. So baba nu la wo. Nu ya bo me. Oga sege. Etio saloboa, let's any cow. Megari edo, megari wa, wega mi me igyo wa weki, e mo ya fefe no lele me baba. O han go tagite, but e say the kind ya pe ya papa. Domo. So, as a foundation, this is what we do. First, after 6 months I found the foundation. E ma ya wona yedo baba.
May we continuously use this project judiciously for mankind. Amen. This is another blessing we ask for in Jesus' name.
Amen. Inauguration of the toilet facilities by the Chief Inspector of Education, Ikubaka Local Government Area, Mr. Idaosai Mokbai, who represented the Commissioner for Education. Mr. Idaosai Mokbai commended the donor for the gesture and tasked the students to put the facilities into proper use.
When you have organizations that are non-government profit-making and they are doing something to support government, we are always happy about it. So for Together in God's Family Care Foundation, we are very grateful.
Founder and president of Together in God's Family Care Foundation, Mrs. Gladys Constantino, represented by the state chairman of the foundation, Mr. John Osawao, and the coordinator, Comrade Emmanuel Aibogun, said the project was necessitated following the invasion of the school by cows on the 30th of June 2017 and giving back to the society and the less privileged who have no means of fending for themselves.
Use the toilet that would be so that they will no longer be going down to the bush to ease themselves any longer. And the principal office again, and the principal don't have conducive office. He used classroom as an office, as I'm saying. That is the ongoing project you are seeing. This is already completed.
What you're seeing here today was born out of the passion Mama Gladys had. She discovered when she sent some of us here that the classrooms had no toilet facilities for the pupils. So what she did in her own wisdom was to come all out to construct this block and that of the principal's office.
Principal Queen Edda Senior Secondary School, Mrs. Patricia Onus Okoji, was full of appreciation to Together in God's Family Care Foundation and called on others to assist.
I am very grateful to this Together in God's Family, whom God have used to give us toilets. And we are begging that they should not stop. They should complete the work that they are still doing. And all of them that contributed, God will continue to empower their purses.
The Enogi of Ogbesan community is Royal Highness Samuel Adua Ogiegbain, represented by Chief Ogbesan, said the construction of toilet facilities by the foundation is laudable.
I should also thank the donor for what they have done in his community, that he appreciates them. That he also pray that the pocket they bring the money out should not be empty.
Together in God's Family Care Foundation, a non-governmental organization, is situated at number 5 Osaiti Street, opposite Assemblies of God Church, Aduawa, Benin City, was founded by Mrs. Gladys Amadi Constantino, who is based in Europe. Patience Osaugu.
Constantino, Baba. So, Baba, I'm here. The social media 4 years ago. I swear, I didn't hear who Niye be pare teme no bedevo na ebia dokpa okibie Yoruba Kenya o so sabati me on the 17th of January 2017 e lati e mama TV ba soni ira teme ni agbo ni adeje yonda grand be kan e Libya e baba na we ni pagbe o Senegal ona we ni pagbe ni do voice ni teme e na gele la jana do voice so imagage la jari mo igwe gbese yeti ma mi ri hu ya do do social media hell emi bu ni ma hu baba ni baba so baba e don't know you wa be here ma ekpe o konage obi atuari no wa ati ere ati adulterous woman baba e keso ga du wa elana e o pe ya ti e Monica no ya tuari e atuari o ye dokpolo na ya ti adulterous woman na ya ti adulterous woman obona a good luck baba dami hoy enyo also ma owe Monica te munye yara mi yara ro wa so Monica God don't tear gine to mesedo. This is not the first time. Honestly, me ateme yeah I prove lele okay
the one with the Bini. So, if they say na lie, make them make videos so that we all will go Africa, may we go swear. So it's a challenge. If Monica says she not be lesbian, me with her friend one girl, me with her friend one girl, and we go court for this case. We reach court, Monica agree saying na her girlfriend, my girlfriend agree saying na her girlfriend, but she not do again. So all this case, we still get time for lawyer, we still get the case file, although they write down in Netherlands. We can translate it for people to read it in English. We go to my lawyer and take it again. Monica agrees she's her girlfriend. So, Monica is a lesbian. We date the same girl before with her bros. And I don't know, when I know as a traditional person, I disagree.
You must present this video.
So, if she say, you not call me to sleep with her many times and I not go far, I go far. Before I say, why? Who's fighting with this? Then we will go, Ayelala will go swear. So, that is the something. I know they lie, but now make me come to talk this kind of thing because I share my memory. I don't know say na so now one like him. Okay. Na memory I just share.
So
I don't follow. So
Baba, Eliane Monica ya swear 4 years ago. Monica na hi. Egene na bona ya ahwehia, bona do hia we. No da ya siebe, o da ya la de, o ma te o no muye yara. E Monica na ge wo kon papa bu mi ade me ma ri o gere keke do ya he o ri gere o kon pe na we no bo we e Monica na he ri ma ni la wo ojo ni ape na ni guyeri ege mi na re Dani Yaji e brother pon of a YouTuber e na do le dori ojo ni ge e Dani Yaji anadoya yi tago bore ore no meti mo we ba opono ro wodo me ma he o iya gi egbe kekela do ve we iya Monica get the boy re ruden me na voice ne Monica vega ni enyokpa me yai igbina ne Monica le la ye gwaye mo even we fai hwe ke ga hwe da fo yogo ina we la je na we no wo na ma o ma tell baba be no gwa we video ni no je do ya so kan we ma pa but me gogo na re o segwa na now no do tie boy yo na he we wo so ena ladia ena voice ne ona eba na wo kpala na tie fei ona do we video no do ya rovie me rovie me prove me ya wada me o dumeze do wa ga go ni ya na fefe o Ona baba wana efe iwe iye joja na Monica ina do we o naga gi rovio ogwe wani ye na ki meba ihwo na no be ga wo wodo no de me voice na Monica vere ni so Monica cannot den na video no o we me mo lo bobo emi na makala this is 3 years ago 3 years ago na kina mare lolo ma go ade but mare Monica magwa na be phone so eme no roto na eba ne Monica ma mare go be ni o ega ne baba ya mo di yeduma traffic ni yele do ata we oba no talk say make you ma traffic stop ela do we o me gwa ho be ni me ya ho ela me gwa tu traffic must stop so they can't say that human trafficking should not stop. Oh, do. So, another lad here, no way, Baba, where human trafficking must stop. Another lad here, another boo, another do I have to ask you back here. Another way, oh, here stop, either they like it or not. Human trafficking must stop. So, another lad here, Baba. Deo. Ega do ladia baba. The human trafficking. Now we're talking most to stop. So, if I never guess so madam is not do I say guessing I if I never met this so not do I mo no a video ni why we video na. O man say 3 months ago e Monica na we video na ya do we when he ya pe ya.
The guests were there to buy. Now she just a call. Now make my listing. Now Shakara, babe, my people are good when I there for work. I cannot keep it to myself. The Edo actress in Dubai. I was able to talk to her this morning. She said, Mama, I appreciate your call. And they don't free. Say you don't free the girls. The girls were there to buy. Now she just a call. Now make my listing. Hello? 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 your message to live video and say you don't agree to free them, Abi? Hello? Okay. She agreed to free them. So, my people, I cannot wait till 2 o'clock or before I close because I don't know the time I take close today because work full everywhere. That is it. She agreed to free them. I get the audio where we take talk. So that audio remained on him. So she called me now and I cannot talk to her because I'm working. So when I share this video, and my daughter don't agree to free those girls in Dubai. So those girls are any girl where still take captivity for in my house. Call me. Where you people are going to be free. And remember, when you are free, Ashewo, you should not make Ashewo. Prostitution must be out of Edo people's name this year. It must be out. Go and see the job where they do so. I'm proud to do it. Go and work. Go and work. And more tending, you will receive your salary. If you sleep, go sleep where you don't go fear of sickness, you don't go fear of anything. Go and work. Okay? See you guys later. When I close this evening, I will continue.
So, Baba. So, anyone know, I am a nigga, when you and the Madaya free, and I may not be met tight, Torase. Ewa no mense de se uke hawa e Monica imaya niwe wa mi o video dika we iga voice na mawe was said o magume o mai wa pere o na iwa latia one day we e no be meta to ase iye na mana do ata ana do ata man fi pe job wage o ri o ba ya hin me na do ata anybody no fi pe ari agwa ge se gesi ya o ri o ba wa hin o ge vo wa hin Monica na ikpe o the way video la do ya do be seleke baba dami ho Monica tonana Monica tonana nu doki ano bi me we to be meto da se o mo na we no be mega no be meta da se o ri oba ya hin o Monica na we video na ona we on tag mo ya fefe da me ho Okay. Baba, Monica is swear. Omari muyota o. Ona ya gure fi jogo teme no pare. Owo mi ebe. Owo mi ebe ki go omeme ki. Omwe na me mu jeme do bi na me do vi jeme. Ama me yo pele Monica ma hu me social media na. Imaka gwe Monica gwa. Ogo meje for good 2 years. Monica ya robi teme ya fefe to the extent a picture we make at the former Monica Lagmon your send where she's sleeping with her father Ashewo Italy or women of not John Akina Keka at the former and then Monica mammy Monica ma social media wana and I don't wear on a here book way and Monica if you don't have women everything me not one of them I know talking me and so I don't hear papa. And last year, I don't let you away. And I know you can't do well. And I do well up Yamonopia. And Monica don't care of you, it might be year of you. And I the only one, and I will. Oh, be a little well. Wherever the well, where? Ya my ballad, where I my ballad at you, mega here. I tough for another for Nupo. I went ballad of Pana, Ruda Monica Mayakala, see January mana. Ya said by Baboni Metier. And Monica Yam, bully, man. I am molesting my social media. Oh, my Tana, you know when the land is my refuge. Instead of refuge. And Monica Lamaya, one video like China whenever you are of man. So, make him never, I hear you, Monica Layaro, Nigeta. If I bet you, no, that's all no cake, my day, no molest no there. And not me, I call him, eh? Inata mi eno wala o ma kame keru wala as far as Monica tell social media o weru wala Godfather here last year rita o weru wala mu ye bobo so any sister Enu wa la mu e bobo. Awon emi afefe no gini me. E Monica ya rovi me. Ono bi je me. Ono bi la me. Omo te no pela ja me. Me social media. Go me go ore kubeki. Ono do my picture na latia. So and attacking Monica. Ile ta ibe ya kio. And I tell you, do me say do managi. Imwe bo latia. No do tie bo we di e ka lo be Monica da on your bien. Our Hanaga, a jet boy. And then anytime a predicament to Monica Latia, in the most of the Latiani Yarovio, because Monica 4 years. Oh, Yarovio. So, when that's when last year mess way. So, I will continue. And even tell me what time Monica, not time Ruwala. Oga, why? Yamawa Monica. Oga, it's Yabo, Yaman or Bovet, Monica. Where we met. We get about time when Monica and my bottom bayo, or Mate Boyo. So, I don't know why. If I have the video, the audio, my better. You will not tell me everyone I'm here now. Not tell me everyone. Oh, that's the boy of social media. And your game Monica. And your mother Monica there. Me have a latia, a video ni. Even Tamia when sorry. But I saw them everyone like to top of the social media. Monica, we DNA. Oh, Monica, I'm on a Bruce. No, I tell Monica. I can't even do your work here. Oh, I told them again. Give him a papa. So, you know, maybe if you know, but no more. Me go go say gwa papa. Imi agwale. Me wan we gbe mi ate ya ade edo. But then we are China. Who double Hana? 2 years ago. Anati me. Yeah, a government it allow me upon. I tell my mercy pede hawa. Era Hana na iwu. Era Hana iwu. Ena we el. Asaga mi na. Usena. Era Hana wuji na te baby precious. Make here kwena say ayobe a government Italo. Ena mwegbe. Ena arie election. Ina ya stop adoption Omona. Baby precious.
We just finished court. Now not say I saw no Italo court speak. 5 minutes. They decide everything. So the judge is seeing me, is seeing Pahetro with our delegate from the embassy. They were shocked. Say, wow, why they get people like this for back? Of which say they don't already talk with embassy and they are going to give the wife a visa to come down as soon as possible. You understand me? So there's a very great view. So this is the lawyer that fights the case that Olawale meets. The first time, this is the lawyer that called me when I was on live video. Avocatessa Leticia. But so telling me parented in Africa, Kimolia the Olawale that was down there.
Bye.
Wow! It's one of the best lawyers in Leshe, believe me. If you have problem in Leshe, contact her. She's fighting 100% for immigrants, for blacks. I'm so proud that we have not all white, one and remember not all white that hate blacks. So this man did everything possible for Olawale, for all blacks, okay? So
she's number one in nature.
Okay, yeah. All of you know, now this one you're the use now, bitches. Okay, now this one all of you, okay.
Audience, please. So let us hear from our...
Okay, who Paitra was there? Okay, I'll tag me. Okay, Benjamin from Bologna.
By the national president, that is NONA, that is Nigeria National Union for all Nigerians immigrants in Italy. Every cities have their representatives.
Okay, Baba.
Now, when you call me, then I have to call the embassy. Yeah. Then Mr. Samson Hodge, when he called me, then he has to call the embassy, and I have to talk to them at the embassy too. And the delegate for all Nigerians in Italy.
Okay, now do take my baba. Eri maya so the process o. Emanipula gele do donate. Na do ya webe, na do ya we ya fefe na ya mwe. Ijo bo kanare. So me mari here. Ema na take Islam bude. Na fa itaba wa we. Eri ma we ga problem ibe. Be bi na ge. Ma we no ma ga problem ibe social media. The foundation that Islam bude was my head co-founder. So me go ni yata me. Enuna na me go say yahi. Get Islam bude. Musiki Islam bude Samsi Ouch. That's the president of the Nuna. Go say yahi. O my tana. Go say yahi Islam bude na hina. So me go say yahi. E wana ki we be pale we ya fefe asiko we ya fefe ne. Amari fie be ire. So that Niger Wakana. Not do ya imwe. Meri nebe na Esansi Hoji. No na president. Ona ya gbebe na against the court of Italy. Where in the foundation me ya a fraudulent. Foundation me hi. Ya irigo ya we mi ya fefefe. Me na be video. Ni ya reply ni ya because Omoelatia and to promote the video na do tame. Agmogbe imo pa en favor emi ya fefe ne Esansi tare ejerio. So court na ritieme. Ya ritieme. Ya procureur di Torino e case ma de court na. Last year 2019 in November. Ina viebe ina the passport mi ade. Ina the passport mi ade passport office. Italian passport me. Passport of me in Nigeria. Here they say in a drop when they had 30 days time. 30 days time ni. It is sevani. Yeah, we passport yi guya. The passport me prefectura. Or you we prefectura. Yeah, when you are time lawyer me. No ya ino. And also now the prefectura. A lawyer is jo. And I tell me lawyer. A passport me. A case in Oroto. A case of a criminal case no. Esansi Hoji. Ni agme against me. So my passport will not be released to me. Tin. A case in ofo. Baba. Okani we nana. Ima hoe. Ima eje. Ima elai. A passport ni jegbo okamie. Na since now. Rude kesi na e kese moki. Rude when I fear Belatia. Na ya mujo wakana le. Na nugu nega go ive. Eri mami se baba eya gboge me bakere ni ade. If not mete wa ko te passport igumela. Mete wa ko ni aya ati agwa. Ni do tale na ya fefefe. E foundation me amami wa ni ma ya happy. Eri ameti Maria bege princess Maria bege wa kan re ti agwa. And then the Bumere, needing your bonnie, your foundation, your cooking, your or second, you might have been a girl, yourself. You make your fist in your door, and Thomas Yaka. I am that fist in there, Thomas Yaka, office in the winner. You might have been out with your fist in there. And then my passport in Aya, there, and you're going to damage it. Very deep, passport in the came between 5 years or Yana. You can have passport. Kesina, ama wakana la munde, nugune go in fair. I don't have a passport iba. So in my time in a matter a person in your fair that keep paying baby. I'm not saying here anybody not take a foundation a fraudulent I just respect. Because you say, ni say physically ni battle inside me. Ni me battle beside me. I mean, I'm somebody team when the win with Nana. I'm when you doctor. I'm your banana. And I'm very happy. I tell my pay woman look more. You know, here. My so, I mean, I'm not crying because I'm weak. I'm not crying because I'm weak. I've never said this thing to anybody. Even my nearest, the best person to me, I never said it to them. I want to fight this battle. I ask my God all the time, Baba God, why me? Does it worth it? But God said yes. He wants it because the day when Olawale's wife will be here and carry this baby, I will know that I've done the right thing I'm supposed to do. You can say good for me. Oh, do I ask you to ask me? They did not seize my passport. I got to Nigeria years ago when I was even having case in the court. I got there and come back. Nobody hold me. It's just because I went there and renewed my passport. Okay? They said I have case, I cannot go. Why is it? Why is it a show when I cannot travel? Because they seized his passport till he finished the case. So don't be stupid. Okay? So that is it. That is it. I forgot nobody for telling me I cannot go. What's it? Baba, why did me go? So Baba, what do me say? Uwe malatie bojo uwe malatie bojo uwe Monica. Oh, me afefe ni attack na wegbe. The social media. Amala me ya dem Monday. Continue here no. Nobody can stop us. I said Monica. Oh, we baba we Monica to bother with you. We baba we webo. Oh, we here can baba wali jo. Ome ya defamative. Mama me opele Monica me attack na me. So now wrong what to tell where. Ye Monica. I want to know. Okay, no other way to get one. Ah, wow. I walk barely hanging in my way. The money you collect, the money I collected for the pastor. You know, you said we wait for the make they bring out the paper, make you take back this thing for the wife. You know, you said we do passport. The passport is there. The passport is there. The woman have the passport and everything. It's the document that we're supposed to send to Nigeria after sending it in the port in the court that the non president. Sassy Hush, out. Okay, that is why I cried out. Okay, so if not be by passport, nothing. Go home me, make I no go. Okay, so that is it. You know, yes, I'm not more in Nigeria. You know, the Yebe go carry TC. Come on, go away from me. I'm not even talking to you. So that's one of them. They make us that day. Wait. I even got to my lawyer yesterday. How am I going to get the passport? One case of a Christopher Bude. I don't win that one. He said no. He said I must finish the. Now this one, not because of Christopher Bude. Oh, now this one therefore, my passport. Okay, he said no, I must finish because the case never started. I must say what do I feel or continue. So we never know as the case they go. The most important thing after we don't go to the court, as he go finish, you know, finish. They go bring out the paper, the documents, make Olawale wife take carry Ipike. Okay. So I don't have Nigeria passport. No, I don't have Nigeria passport. I don't want to talk to nonsense. So I'm sorry for even talking like that. I finished the case here now. I'm coming back to come and reply Monica for what he do for Abatobaze Piki. You don't know. So sorry for that. No worry, sister. No. I don't want anybody to feel my penance. I never said it once. And you know too. You see why I go after you. When you talk about this ticket, this your donation, nobody. I don't play with my passport. I don't play with my foundation. If you want to donate, you donate to help, but don't come and use it to defamate my foundation. Okay, that is why I go out bitterly for you because una what they don't prepare for down. No, I won't go. I don't want to do now. So you see the pace I'm having. The passport I got 25 years ago is with the. If you say like that, when I go swear put, okay, you are too small for me to reply. So our king is a Nenet king. He was the ambassador to this country. So you know what I'm talking about. So you people go away. May they swear. You just say the spirit they don't swear. If the papa of Wala don't do it, so if Monica, try Monica me like Beru Wala. Monica said, I don't keep person for this country. He can come here, man, woman, picking, then Monica Moere. So another attacking Monica, another attacking Monica, so it might be a problem, Ali. So I don't know. So people asking me, why are you so? Who told you to continue this thing? Why are you not tired up on all this frustration they have put on your foundation, all the way they want to stop you? Because I believe in God that sent me this message. I read it in Matthew chapter 5, verse 11 and 12. He said, blessed are ye when men shall reveal you and persecute you and shall say all manners of evil against you falsely for my sake. Rejoice and be exceedingly glad, for great is your reward in heaven. For so persecuted they the prophets which were before you. So I believe that my God, at the end, I will come out triumphantly. I will come out triumphantly when I will collect this paper, the document that the Nonai sees for the mother to come and collect her baby. Just the way on the 22nd of March, I came out victory against the defamation that Mr. Mambude have relied on me that our foundation is a fraudulent, is this or that. When we go to the court, that was not it. He said that I cost him, he cost me. Judge said, you cost him, you say make a fair, he cost me. Me, I can't still do my video, I take cost him. Then judge, let's judge him. He tear the paper, tear it away. Make one, they go house. So the same thing. That is what make me go, because as far as I said, God is giving me victory in anything I do. So if to say my passport today, when I go lawyer, yes, I call and say, no, I give money, I say go lawyer. God still bless the people who still help me to pay lawyer. Now me, I for pay my ticket, I go come, nothing they happen. Because I know spoil person, I'm not supposed to spoil my own. I know keep person, I'm supposed to person will kill me. So Baba, do mezedo, Monica wear a trafficker no. Or walk bomber or what secrets near moon, near moon, there no money, dashi, only your even if you do mesedo, or not going to head or some moment. Because I walk back or tear radio. I walk back, I love your communica. I started Monica and Monica of social media. Above a FFT that you love your Monica. Above, and we have FFT out of your Monica. T. Eruguala to Latin, I have a dog body, and I have a dollar Eruguala. So when I have a heck out of your fan. Obaya tawe obiela keve evo odi tento video so Monica he when I got roviye anything no ika he be mo gba rovi no roviye we gani no mu mejedo na gani no mu me mana nu ge na Monica ya monyi ngu na ma help papa ne papa gani no mu me ma E kakabo ala do mo kakabo la mu no ri ame e kakabo ani me e Monica tak to po be ti kakabo e me mi opale ya no ma ya gwa lo be Monica atu ari baba na baba yege e me na te wo okpe ga ro be social media na okwo na ro wi me ne Gladys ina do zin ye popo imala ina mo pishin la dia ina ti e bo ni ye me no ma la gwa lo me o wa ni ga la dia ihimye iga gwi but ero who paid the yellow social media na safer. Yet to the extent, last 2 years, Obia woman, Obia do, let a bien say, ni moto jamuve. E kono na wina umunu pobason, we Rome vitali. Ona wu, umoto gbebe, ada. Oti no si mi na calling me. Ni la wo. Ewa ni mweke sini. Oge, ewa no reke se. Otinye Romu. Iye magi ye mi ya si se ye. Gati yare. Mode ogwagboy. Ostiranire. Omoro dion. Uwe wano corona we do. Mama no tiyo corona. Uwe kwade justice no kuona. Adi yenti yana ikugbe. Ane ga kume kia. So gani ya tiye. Mode ogwagboy. 2 months. Eya mi moto wa boy. No ni je wo kana bagbe. Omo na eri moto jam obi e no rada. Ishola se amugore. Wa wa fije fo. Wo ya ke ya mi go he. E to le ru go bi egu. Ala moto wa gbe ke kan ye ga ta ma be. E ma ni social media ka reti me ko le 20% we na we he o. Me ki akwa e la ma ni ma he. Ami evunu me. E na latia. E na do so anja be moto wa boy. Na do jin ya ko. Ni ya moko na ibagbe. So obi ohu so baba. Le video ni mie, non touche me, non mais jamais ve ya bon yore et l'état bien messé non vous, wa rige bien messé. Baba, I don't know. I don't have a model work boy. O si anire, minare, omoro dio. Ana do mi o corona we do deba. Mori e video na yo corona wo huona. Iye ke boy kweku. Obi ewu insurance na mwe 365,000 euro latia. At the end, the day men out take one day men out do igoya. Ikobo materi kobo ekpina materi no huona. At the end, na do 80,000 euro no huona. O si anire, modo work boy. Keke omoro dio yena emwe igo no ke 365,000 euro at 365,000 euro at 80,000 euro no kwona ni go ke so every normal every do we social media imare do here in register foundation me Monica wa no ma gegbe oho keke ni ade so e bully ni he ibugbe wa be picture me ni ka ye nwe he e bully ni he ibugbe ile doje koti ido yona iga wona riawa I wona riawa ma easy I don't me to put on this weight but thank God now eya fefe di egbe Monica ne me fe kosa mene now so you know so I'm coming back just 30 minutes time to come and do the same video in Monica une about obaze retire say oba we ga talk where he say so do me say do you are the one that summoned into the palace I cannot be able to come don't me wabe don't me na ujo okay awa taita o you got to get a passport gume passport agweme ina we day that ye boy na tell you but a passport igweme ono se manare ugege e dey on retire so madam this you want to talk yes so this is what I want to go and talk in the palace this is what I want to go and talk in the palace I would have gone where I would have gone tell Monica saying there for social media and they advise people me I call social media content can help my people. There are many people, even for setting the last year in Nigeria, where COVID-19, when we got the ticket, a foundation, Madame Rosigo, I the ticket here. So, the many things I've done is uncountable. But Monica, don't ma boom we get boy, anybody ma boom the social media, Ibuyajo. So, this is why I was saying, Oba talk pay is so do me say, the video that they care. Whether met him, yeah, what to let more here, and not the area, a lawyer, one more possible, a case now, see the passport in Asia. Yeah, I cannot travel to the case in the phone, or a case in now, or a no night. Do that, eh? Or a case right now. No night. See, screenshot it and see it. This is the case of no night. This is the defamation letter they wrote about my foundation. Sam, NUNA, National Union of Nigeria Association in Italy. So that makes me to reply then, they not take me to court. So that's it. The most important thing, at the end, they give me the document of Baby Precious, the wife of Leto Lowale, for the mother to have the visa to come and collect her baby. Over I talk, he said, bye-bye. I'm coming back 30 minutes time. Bye-bye.